Well, hi there, everybody. Good morning to meteorologist Travis Kleneski here on this Monday morning, the Monday after Easter, and now officially 1 month after the start of the spring season. Well, it's been a rough 1 month with very little rain. We did get a little bit of rain finally, really in the eastern half of the area. It was basically the areas that are not highlighted in pink, had a little rain yesterday. The western half of the area had little to no rain at all. And the winds are going to pick up later on today in these spots here. So a red flag warning will go into place starting at 1 o'clock this afternoon. This will continue until 9 o'clock this evening. Not a lot of moisture these next couple of days. There are some small chances of rain here and there. But really, today's about the big warm-up that's on the way. Now, one thing I will point out, the winds are fairly light this morning. Look out west as the winds begin to pick up later on, so that again increases that wildfire threat. A lot of sunshine most of the day, then again late this afternoon. We can see that increase in cloud cover from the west. A few spotty showers start to pop up here. Chances of rain are going to be very hit or miss. Rain, isolated thunderstorms, nothing severe expected. Most of that's cleared out of here before sunrise tomorrow morning. We're back to partly to mostly sunny skies on your Tuesday, and I think tomorrow may actually be the best day of the week for most of us, where the winds will not be very strong at all. We don't start out as cold, so it looks like a really nice day across much of the area. And then once again towards the end of the afternoon, we look to the west for that increase in clouds and a couple of showers, maybe even isolated thunderstorms that'll traverse across the area Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. Better chances of rain, though, much better chances, are on the horizon just beyond this Futurecast graphic here. In fact, we not only see showers, but maybe even some thunderstorms and severe weather. The outlook out for the day number 3, this is Wednesday. There is a low and marginal risk of severe storms. Most of us have at least a chance of some weaker thunderstorms here and there. That's that 0 out of 5 general risk area, which doesn't mean really much of a risk of severe weather. But a marginal risk right in here, we may see a few incidences of large hail and severe wind gusts later in the day on Wednesday. We're going to get into more of the details of that in just a bit. Highs today, 70s and 80s. The warmest temperatures in southwestern areas right in here. We're maybe getting mid-80s possibly. Tonight then, not as cold for most of us. We'll see lows. Still kind of chilly in the panhandle where it will drop near and below freezing, but mid to upper 30s, 40s, and then low to mid 50s as you go to the southeast. Nice day tomorrow. Most of us will see 70s. Like I said, this may be just the nicest overall day. I know rain may mean nice weather for those that desperately need the rain, and we all need the rain. But if you're just talking about a nice day to be outside, tomorrow might be the day. Not as much wind, 5 to 15. Maybe for some of you only 5 to 10 miles per hour. A lot of sunshine with a few clouds mixed in, very little rain, and highs back into the 70s. Tomorrow night, we're mostly in the 40s and low 50s for lows. And this is one thing you'll notice here as we go through the week ahead. We're not really threatening freezing temperatures anytime soon. Highs on Wednesday, a little cooler for most of us, mid-60s to mid-70s. There are going to be some off and on chances of rain, and this threat will actually get better Wednesday night into Thursday. All of us well above freezing, no threats of anything beyond rain. It's rain and thunder showers, thunderstorms. Thursday, kind of a cool day. We are going to see widespread showers and thunderstorms on Thursday. And in fact, it may be pretty cool in northwestern areas here, but again, solid chances of rain in our future. In fact, let's take a look at those long-range forecast models. Here is the European model. Again, the next couple of nights, it's mostly slimmer chances. There's tonight, and then here's tomorrow night. Again, not a lot, but then chances start to pick up Wednesday, and they really pick up Wednesday night into Thursday. So a little more widespread shower and thunderstorm activity drifting around out there. And we're going to keep these chances pretty solid. Now, we may get a little bit of a break on Friday. Friday could be just kind of a cloudy or mostly cloudy, cool day. Maybe for some of you, partly sunny. But then the clouds thicken back up and more rain chances return Saturday, and especially Saturday night into Sunday. And we may start to see a little more severe weather Sunday and maybe even into Monday of next week as well here as we get some low-level moisture coming in from the south. But look at this, more rain chances into next week. Look at all that rain. Oh, does that not sound good right there? Finally settle the dirt and the dust a little bit here. Let's take a look at the GFS model real quick. Again, small chances these next couple of days. Here's Wednesday afternoon now as our rain chances begin to pick up. They really get going Wednesday night into Thursday. And we're going to keep them around now Thursday night, but then Friday, maybe the chances start to come down a little bit. But then they'll start to come back up heading into Saturday. And we've got pretty good chances of rain and thunderstorms Saturday night and the Sunday. Watching a little more of a severe weather threat. I'm going to keep an eye on Sunday and Monday are kind of interesting to me anyway. I've been watching that for several weeks now, that Sunday, Monday time frame, around the 27th, 28th. But look at all that rain. Good rain on the way here. So that'll be nice to have, maybe even more way down the road. We'll see. I'm not going to worry too much about that right yet, though. Let's look at the 7-day forecast for the Tri-Cities. And again, the chances of rain are lower, but this is also when we see some of our warmer temperatures this week to start off the week. Rain chances pretty decent on Wednesday, but then really solid chances Wednesday night and into Thursday. That little bit of a break on part of Friday there, and then more chances Saturday night into Sunday. And again, that'll keep temperatures cooler, still warm enough at night, no threat of snow or anything like that, but cooler temperatures during the day, which is fine. When we're getting rain, not going to complain at all. But again, maybe warming up a little bit early next week here, and then we'll cool back down. It just depends on those rain chances, though, a lot of times here. Looking at the North Platte forecast, again, you see that we could see more. Again, it's very similar to the Tri-Cities. Warm the next couple of days, small chances of rain, mainly in the evening at night, and then better chances Wednesday, and especially Wednesday night and a Thursday, and then another round as we get towards Saturday and Sunday, and maybe even more into next week as well. So you keep those temperatures kind of hovering a little bit below or above average most of that time frame. Well, I want to thank you all for watching on this Monday morning. I'll be back with you on Tuesday with all the latest. Take care, and God bless. Bye.